Sunderland has been extraordinary this season. They are currently fourth in Premier League with 19 points in 11 games. With Joe Bellingham leaving to Dortmund before season start, Sunderland signed Granit Xhaka, Habib Diarra, Simon Adigra and Nodi Mukiele to strengthen the squad. So in this video, we will see how Sunderland is performing so well and what tactics they are using. Sunderland is not using a single formation. Instead, they adapt to opponent and change their formation accordingly. But in the game, they play with the same approach. On paper, they use 4-3-3 formation, with changing their shape to 4-2-3-1 and 5-3-2 formation according to opponents. In build-up, Sunderland use 4-1 shape, in which 4 defenders stretch the opponent pressing and 1 pivot help them out. This is the common shape most of the teams use, but the difference is in the positioning of other players. Normally, other midfielders stay around the pivot to provide passing option, but in Sunderland system, midfielders stay ahead near to forwards. Due to this, opponent cannot commit too much players in pressing. If they do, then Sunderland midfielders can receive a long ball in this space. For example, here, Sunderland is building up with 4 defenders, stretched wide, and Xhaka is acting as pivot. Here, you can see that opponents are not pressing high with more players, and Xhaka has this much space to receive the ball. Because if opponent press high, then Sunderland players can receive a long ball and can overload the opponent defense line easily. So Xhaka receives the ball and carry it forward. Again here, opponent tried to press high. Now opponent player faced 2v1 situation in midfield. He tried to mark Xhaka, leaving Sadiki free with lot of space in center. Sadiki received the ball from center back and pass it to Isidore, which lead to a great chance. Raheem can invert in midfield to receive the ball by changing positions. When opponent tried to press high by blocking Hume, then he sneak into this space to receive the ball. To maintain the structure and provide passing option, one midfielder move to his position. For example here, Sunderland goalkeeper have the ball with the same usual 4-2 shape. Opponent player is set to marking Hume to block direct pass from goalkeeper. So Hume moves inside to receive the ball and Sunderland create a overload on that side to progress the ball ahead. Again in this clip, you can see that midfielder Sadiki is wide while fullback Hume is inside. This shows fluidity of Sunderland players to control the width of the play. Again in this clip, you can see that Sadiki is between center backs and Xhaka is acting as one pivot while Hume is in between the lines. In next moment, Hume finds the space to receive the ball from center back. In mid block, one midfielder drop between center backs to form a back 3 and both fullbacks moves ahead. One stay wide on the right and left back Hume moves inside to help out in central area. Xhaka is playing as pivot and opponent is pressing accordingly. Then Hume can drop down when he finds the space to receive the ball. For example here, Xhaka is with center backs in a back 3 with Sadiki playing as pivot. Now opponent are marking Sadiki, leaving this space behind and Sunderland player can receive the ball in this space. One of the other weapon Sunderland using is a long throw. There is a very steep increase in the use of long throw this year in Premier League. Sunderland put in 33 long throws in opponent box this season, which is third highest in Premier League. This is a very critical scenario for attacking. Team can directly create attack from nowhere and can push opponent on back foot. Now opponent have to clear the ball properly to get out of that area, but another long throw can put them in the same situation. And eventually, a good delivery into the box can lead to a goal through any sweep, deflection from opponent player, or by just a simple header. Sunderland's defending is also a joy to watch. Sunderland defend in a 5-3-2 shape. 2 forwards block opponent passing in center, and when opponent move through the flanks, then due to 5 defenders in the back, they are very aggressive in pressing and follow opponent forward so that he cannot receive the ball easily. For example here, Sunderland defending in 5-3-2 shape in mid block. One opponent player drop to receive the ball and Sunderland defender move out of his position to press him. Again in this clip, Chelsea is rotating the ball around. Pedro drop to receive the ball, but Gitida follow him all the way, solving Sunderland's man-to-man pressing. Again here, you can see that when Pedro drop, Gitida track him so that he cannot receive the ball and Sunderland win the possession. Now as center backs are defending aggressively to win the ball, forward can start the counter attack by combining with quick passes. For example, here Sunderland win the ball and forwards carry it to start the counter attack, which lead to a goal. Again here, Sunderland won the possession, defender carry the ball forward and pass it to Brabi, who holds the ball so that players can join the attack. Brabi finds the space around the box and finish it in back of the net. Overall, Sunderland is showing great personality by being in top 4 of Premier League while just promoted this season. But what do you think of it? Comment below, leave a like, subscribe and thanks for the watching.